back with another video. My name is Kay.
And my name is Trinity.
And today we're going to make slime. And the only ingredients you'll be needing is hair gel, glue,
Salt.
and hand wash.
In case.
Okay, we're going to cut that out.
If I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so first we're gonna be adding the Curl Crunch. Then you wanna glue?
I'm going to add the glue.
I don't know if we can you see if it open? Maybe not that much.
Yeah. Guys, we learned our lesson with glue. People on YouTube scam.
Here.
I don't know.
I think.
There's more
Is
glue.
it freaking? It's so tight. Okay, stop. I saw.
Sorry.
Ew, it's all at the top.
Ew.
Is the glue okay? My
Yeah.
son, are you okay?
Oh my gosh. Guys, we found a slug today, but it died.
Oh, it was set. What in the actual?
It died today, guys, and look, I made a little home for it. But if we find another slug, we actually put it in there really quick.
Okay, I got glue in my hands, but who cares? I think we need to add a little bit more because.
Can I add it?
Yeah. Okay, that's good. How much do you add to? Okay, let's mix it.
Let's add a little bit of water.
First, let's. I'll mix this.
So sorry, guys, that we cursed.
That was my reaction.
This was supposed to be a friendly channel.
You add the salt. I suck at adding salt. Sorry.
You want me to spread it?
I like my done. I said thank you. The salt.
I'm mixing it.
It
Oh, it's clumping.
is. Is it?
It needs to be refrigerated though. Guys, the scent today is gonna be ginger. I think we need to add one more green. Toothpaste.
This is odd.
We should add toothpaste.
Can you get some?
So guys, I'm gonna get the toothpaste.
Bye. That didn't scare me. I really heard you coming up.
So guys, I'm gonna pour the top, guys. That's good.
That didn't even come out. Come on, you stupid toothpaste. I hate you.
Toothpaste. Do you know what we should add in here?
What? Can you?
I think we need glue.
Oh my god. Guys, my cousin's coming over tomorrow.
Should we use this?
You know what? Guys, we need some fans. I'm about to cry. We need some fans on the couch. Glue.
Glue. This could be jiggly slime.
I get it all over my hands, and after I can peel it.
Trim.
What?
This could be jiggly
No,
slime.
Kaden.
So guys, we're making jiggly
Damn.
slime.
No.
Guys,
Sorry,
do you like this? It's like actually
Okay,
like
this is a fail.
no, it isn't. There's gonna be. You can actually add an activator with some glue, and boom, there's jiggly slime. First, you want to make the water mixture. Just add a
Should
little
we
bit.
redo this?
Let's try this actually. This might work. 1, 2, 2 pumps.
Okay, let's rinse all of this. Like,
Start a new video.
yeah, but we can like keep this one and post it.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna post this video, but then we're gonna make another video after this. So stay tuned with another video on June 25th.
The same day, Kay.
Yeah, the same day we're gonna start on it. So,
Okay,
guys, say
bye.
bye to the slime.
Bye.
Bye, slime.